OBD2 became mandatory for all vehicles manufacturer in the year 1996 and later. Mode 6 is found on generic scan tools. Mode 6 shows the results of the non-continuous monitors after they have been tested by the PCM. Mode 6 is only for non-continuous monitors, which test these various emission control systems. If the status of a certain monitor reads not complete, the technician should disregard the readings for that component for the Mode 6 data. Mode 6 data is only valid once a trip or drive cycle has been run and the monitor has completed, and the circuit has been tested. When the DTCs are cleared from the PCM, the status of the Mode 6 data should not be considered. Mode 6 data recorded for catalytic efficiency determines the converter's ability to store and release oxygen. Mode 6 reading of catalytic converter efficiency reads 0.45, which is actually 45%. This is the result of using the manufacturer's conversion factor of 100. What does this reading mean? Again, it's a conversion in percentage of 100, so 0.45 is 45%, meaning the efficiency of the catalytic converter is 55%.